Imagine you are in a situation at work, or perhaps in a personal setting, where instead of trying to win people over with clever words or forceful arguments, you choose to present yourself as sincere, modest, and open. And rather than creating tension, you notice that the people around you begin to relax, to trust, and to see you not as a threat, but as someone they can safely let their guard down around. What you are doing in that moment, whether consciously or not, is practicing the art of disarming others with selective honesty. Because nothing lowers defenses faster than the appearance of goodwill, generosity, and simplicity. Perhaps you have experienced the power of this in subtle ways. When you admit to a small fault, offer an unexpected kindness, or share a truth that costs you nothing but earns you trust in return. And you realize that what seemed like a small gesture has given you influence you could never have gained through argument or force. Robert Greene, in Law 12 of the 48 Laws of Power, explains this timeless principle with great clarity. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. In the world of power, where people are often wary and quick to suspect hidden motives, nothing confuses and calms more effectively than someone who seems to have no hidden motives at all. When you present yourself as transparent, kind, or even vulnerable at the right moment, you allow the people around you to lower their guard because they no longer feel the need to protect themselves from you. And in that space, the space where defenses drop, you gain entry into places that would have been closed to you had you come with arguments, demands, or displays of strength. This law is not about false friendship or empty gestures, but about understanding that small, well-timed acts of honesty and generosity can earn you trust, loyalty, and access, and can open doors that might otherwise remain firmly shut. How can you apply this law in your own life? In the workplace, instead of always trying to appear the most capable, the smartest, or the most competitive, consider the power of admitting a small mistake or offering genuine praise to a colleague, because doing so can make others feel safe in your presence and more willing to cooperate with you in the future. In personal relationships, when conflict arises, you might find that a simple, sincere gesture of goodwill, such as acknowledging the other person's perspective or offering a small act of kindness, can change the entire tone of the interaction and win you more influence than any argument could. And in negotiations or tense discussions, choosing to approach with modesty, openness, and generosity often allows you to achieve your goals without struggle, because people want to believe in the good intentions of those who seem honest and giving. As Robert Greene puts it so effectively, no one suspects the person who appears honest and pure, and that is often your greatest advantage. Have you ever experienced how a well-timed act of honesty or generosity helped you gain trust and influence where force would have failed? Or have you witnessed someone else master this quiet but powerful art? Share your story in the comments below. Your insight could help others see just how effective this law can be. And if these lessons from the 48 Laws of Power are changing the way you think about strategy and influence, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and always remember, know the game. Play it right. That's power.